Tallahassee, Florida, the home of Garnet and Gold, but also the home of an up-and-coming rock band, Moonwolf. And here with us now is Chris.
Well, hello there.
Chris, well, obviously Moonwolf's new album is a huge success. How does it feel?
I mean, going back to our Mind the Gap days, we knew how to rock, and that was half the battle. But as Moonwolf, we're just bigger and better than ever, and... Well, let's see, how do I describe our success now? I think I would say it feels good.
Such a wordsmith. Now, come on. It wasn't always good, was it?
No, not always. I mean, Lord knows I did my fair share of drinking, and more drinking. I mean, it's all perfectly well documented in our documentary, Mind the Gap, I See Green, You See Gray, about the band we were in before Moonwolf. Things obviously got a little out of hand.
Yeah, you guys seem to argue, like, a lot.
Oh my word, it felt like we were fighting just all the time, you know? It was just, everything was just constantly coming to blows, and I broke down crying God knows how many times during that documentary.
And when Gary left the band temporarily, that must have been quite a hit.
I'm sorry, whom?
Gary, one of the other members of Moonwolf, your friend that left, remember?
Oh yes, of course, Gary, leaving the band, yes, that was quite the blow to our egos, you know? But we pedaled on. But the important thing is he came back, and he recorded his song. I think it was called Small Town something or other. Who knows at this point? It's not really important to the story. The important thing is that Brian... Gary and I, and of course our good friend Max Rebo, we got back together. We said goodbye to Mind the Gap. We said hello to our new band, Moonwolf. We recorded a hit record, and the rest is history.
So, where do you see the band in, say, 15 years?
15 years from now, That would put us in, what, the year, let me do some math here, 2023? Oh my goodness gracious, that sounds so futuristic and far off. I think we'll at least have a couple John Lennon songwriting contests under our belt. I think we'll have played our Ben & Jerry's open mic gig. I think we'll be selling out stadiums left and right, have thousands and thousands of women, and yeah, I think the future will look pretty bright for the old band Moonwolf. In fact, I'll make a promise right here, right now, on the record, that if we don't reach these successes, then I will personally make 2023 the year of the Moonwolf. And our good friend Max Rebo, who is our glue, he can hold me to that, come hell or high water, success or failure. But of course, there won't be any failure. I mean, 15 years from now, I'm not going to be sitting in my room, in my pajamas, playing the same guitar, struggling to play a bar chord or a proper F chord, you know. Those days will be long, long behind us. You'll see. You'll see. Fucking F chord. Why is this such a fucking pain in the ass? Fucking F. Okay, F. Fucking F. What the hell was that? Hello, old friend. It's been 15 years. Are you ready to rock?
Who is that? Who are those people? Why, that's the crowd, my boy. They're waiting for you. The time has finally come. It's been 15 long years, but the world is ready once again for Moon Wolf. Go get them.
That sounds like a good movie.